I'm afraid of the darkness. Not the darkness that comes when I turn off the light, but the darkness of my thoughts. Listen, 20s is the age when you are going through the love, friendship, heartbreaks, progress, success, college monks, and many more. But I'm afraid of the scene. What if some event may leave the devastating measure in my life? I have a question to myself. What if I couldn't be successful? What if all my hard works will go in vain? What if I couldn't reach the finish line? And what if I could remain always behind my friend? I am surrounded by the galaxy of thoughts, and if you think it harder and harder, the thoughts will ultimately kill you. But on the next half, I know I am born for a reason. And you, the one you are looking at me right now. Yes, you, my friend, you are too born for a reason. But you have to know the way, you have to know the pathway, you have to know the highway to get it. We always wait for a perfect time, but from now onwards, let's get this real time and make it perfect in our own ways by starting the work that we always wanna do. The darkness is unknown. You will have the lots of thoughts gathering in your mind when you are in the dark. If in case you fall in your life, don't think God has always given the difficult roads to me. But you know, my friend, why do we fall? It's because we can learn to pick ourselves up. You just need to start, and every path will come on your way to do the next. Many of us do not start because we don't see the path. But if we once start, we'll start seeing the path and every ladder to reach our destination. But you must not limit yourselves. You have to get out of the box. I have the potential to do something great that I love, and you have to. If you are a college or university student, you know you have to study and get your assignments done in the due deadline. But we cannot focus maximum time in study. We see a hell lot of motivational videos but end up being unproductive at the end of the day. Why this? Because we are trapped by our own thoughts. I sometimes wonder, where is that old me? The young and energetic me. I know it's inside me, so I have to take it out. So thinking on the next part, I think life is easy to let go, but thinking makes it more complicated. If we really become disciplined at our work, that is the distinct division between our work, play, study, recreation, movies, night outs and others, then we could have the things done in proper time. Some days are planned and other days gets wasted. But why is it so? Because we do not feel the same motivation each day, and it's normal to have. But you know, my friend, when you have a bad day, just take a deep breath and let it go, because after every dark night there comes a brightest morning. But one thing is always needed. We have to work for growing and growing. Everyone is provided with the same 24 hours, same 1440 minutes and the same 86400 seconds. But where is the difference? Difference occurs in the utilization. How you utilize the same hours, how you utilize the same time. So tomorrow, cut off everything that is wasting your time and utilize it for the productivity. Get 15 minutes off and control your senses through yoga. My friend, I just have started a week earlier. Wish me for the continuation, but I swear you will feel the difference, because start is small. That's the atomic habits. There are the days when you feel like doing nothing. There are the days when you feel like bunking classes, and there are the days when you feel like sleeping all the day. But remember, my friend, at the meantime, your competitor is accomplishing all his tasks and you are leaving it for tomorrow. From here, the margin of the difference occurs, and if it is repeated on a regular basis, you will be far more behind. See this, the graph of the improvement or the decline. If you improve 1% each day, by the end of the year, you will be 37.78 times more better. But on the other end, if you get yourself 1% worse each day, by the end of the year, you will be 0.03 times towards the path of devastation. So choose your way, where you wanna be. At last, have fun on the things that you love doing. You are unlimited. Just get out of the box and know your potential, because you have the magical wand to change the world. To sum up, they say beautiful scene comes out of the hardest climb. You know, my friend, magic you are looking for is in the work you are avoiding. So be happy, because smile suits you. This is all for today. Signing off for now. This is Inner Chinese. So let's get connected. I wish for your success, guys. Everyone. Thank you all. Having a bad day. But you know, my friend, when you are having but you know, my friend, when you are bad, have fun on the things. Oh, I have done this. I have done the next second video. So if you haven't then watch my previous video. Thank you all. Everyone.